Hey everyone, Rob 𝐷𝐸𝐸 here, and we're doing our weekly video series called 5 with Rob, and we're here today with Morgan Kelly of MMR Pools. How you doing, Morgan?
Good. How are you?
Excellent, excellent. So, this is the time for a pool, right? It's 110 out. You want to cool down. That's really one way to do it, other than cranking down the air conditioning.
Excellent.
So, we put this series together to support McDowell Mountain Ranch businesses. You're super hyper local. Your name is MMR Pools. I don't think it gets more local than that. Thanks for coming on. You guys know the drill, 5 questions. Our goal is for everyone to learn about your business. Hopefully they'll like what they're here and they'll give you a try. So you do a super job, you deserve their business.
Awesome.
So first question, where'd you move from? Because everyone's from somewhere else. And when did you come to McDowell?
Okay, so I was mostly raised in Texas, Dallas, Texas, for my formative years. Then I went to college in New Mexico, and then when I graduated in 2004 from college, I moved to Arizona, so 2004. And then I moved into the McDowells in 2008.
Super, super.
Yep.
What was the drawer? You could have picked any of the areas here in Metro Phoenix. What drew you to McDowell?
When I first came, I lived in many areas of Scottsdale, North Scottsdale, and over time I was just drawn to the mountains, the small community within the big city. It's kind of, you go over that hill and there you are, and it's really tight-knit little community. It's a lot of fun. So that was kind of the draw, and the community amenities, the pools and the playgrounds.
Yeah.
When the kids are little. So. And
they've got pickleball now, so it's getting better every year.
Love pickleball.
Yeah, so does Danny. Super. So the obvious fact is you own your company. Started out from a family business. You went out on your own, and you're a female business owner who services pools. Yes. That's an amazing story right there. What is the percentage of gals working the pools?
1. there isn't any. I think I'm on a Arizona Pool Tech's website, and there's hundreds. And I think I'm one of like 3 women pool owners, and not all of them are here. They're across the country, so that's kind of cool.
That's super special.
Yeah. Thanks.
So tell us a little bit about your business. What makes it different? Little history of.
Yeah. So started in the pool industry in 2008, like you said, with the family business, and then went out on my own. In 2016 with MMR Pools, and I wanted to keep it local in the community. My kids go to Desert Canyon, so I wanted to keep, I could drop them at school, go to work. So that's my history in the pool biz. But what makes me special is that I am super local, so I can get to a pool quickly, and I don't have to charge a ton of money because I live, across town. So, I can do a lot of things in the area for people very quickly. So that's special. And then just, I think the personal touch of, like, a lot of companies have a lot of different guys. The turnover is high on who's coming to their pool. People like to see me. They get to see me. So it's a personal touch that I'm able to provide the customers that often don't have that. So.
Okay, excellent. Also, besides servicing the pool on a weekly or monthly, you can service, you could repair, you can do everything but build.
So you can do everything but build. We do heaters, we do small remodels, we do all plumbing, variable speeds, upgrades, automation. So you can work everything off your phone, which is super cool. So yeah, we can do it all. There isn't anything we can't do except build.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So do you have a fun story you can share where you saved the day, where you came to someone's rescue? You know, anything you'd like to share with our audience?
Sure. So that's every day because every day there's a problem or an issue, and I'm always able to get there and to help out the customer. People want to swim on the 4th of July, and they realize that their pool has turned on them. They had a different service that wasn't working out. Their last, finally pull the trigger on getting, good service. I go over there and able to turn the pool around in 24 hours. So
Awesome.
happens every week, every day.
Exceeding expectations weekly.
Yes.
That's good. That's good.
Thanks.
So your business is probably been busier than ever because everyone's stuck at home. Mm-hmm. So can you share with us, is it, have you done anything differently now with your pool cleaning service, or have you seen an increase in business because of COVID?
Yeah, so I'm one of the lucky ones as far as business goes. I've gotten busier. People are not traveling out of town. They're staying home. They're using the pool. They're realizing, oh, the motor's really loud, or my pump's loud. Why is this happening? So they want things to kind of get improved. They want to use their phone to automate their system. So all that's been going on because they're actually spending time in their backyards because there's nowhere else to go. So I've definitely increased. I've spent a lot more time with my customers. Usually they're gone. Usually they're not home working, but now everyone's home. So that's kind of nice because there's some customers you don't see for years. And so it's been nice to see some of those, the snowbirds here and do that. So it's been great, but business has been better.
Good.
Yeah.
Awesome. So, I appreciate your time, and I implore everyone to give you a call. Your number's below, and give her a shot. She's done great for my clients and I for years. I always refer you out, and I want to thank you.
Thank you for having me.
Okay, no problem. Well, appreciate it, and go get them.
Yeah.